Hi friends, I am Harita. Welcome to my class. In the previous classes, we have solved class 10 question papers chapter wise. In this class also, we'll solve class 10 question paper chapter linear equations in two variables. And in this class, we'll solve some situational problems. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and do like and share so that others can also benefit. So let's start. First question is, sum of ages of father and son is 40 years. And if father is thrice as old as his son, what is the age of father and son? So let's take this as x and this as y. Okay, so given that x plus y equal to 40 and father is thrice as old as his son, x is father's age, x is equal to 3y, right? So you can substitute it here. 3y plus y equal to 40, which means 4y equal to 40. So what is y? Y equal to 10. So ages of, so x equal to, what is x? 40 minus 10, it is 30. So the ages of father and son are 30 and 10 respectively. Okay. Next question is, in a hostel, there is a fixed charge and the remaining charge depends on the number of days one has taken food. And the question is, Swati takes food for 20 days and she has to pay 3000 rupees that month. And Mansi took food for 25 days and she has to give 3500 rupees for that month. So, what is the fixed charge and the charge for food? That is the question. So, let's take this as fixed charge. Let's take fixed charge as x and the charge for food as y. Okay. So, fixed charge is fixed. So, x plus and this charge depends on number of days they have taken food. So 20y. Swati, it is 20. So x plus 20y equal to 3000. We got this as equation for Swati. Then for Mansi, it is x plus 25y equal to 3500. So you can solve this equation to get for x and y. If you want to solve this equation, you can subtract 1 from 2, right? So you will get 5y equal to 500. 25 minus 20 is 5. 5y equal to 3500 minus 3000 is 500. 5y equal to 500. So what is y? Y equal to 100. So the charge for food is 100. And what is the fixed charge? Fixed charge, if you substitute here x plus, if you substitute y here, x plus 20 into 100 is 2000 equal to 3000. So what is x? 3000 minus 2000, so 1000. So fixed charge is 1000. Fixed charge is 1000 rupees. And food, charge for food is 100 rupees. Understood? Next question is, if difference between two numbers is 26 and one number is 3 times the other, find both the numbers. That is the question. So difference between two numbers, let the numbers be x and y. So x minus y equal to 26. And one number is 3 times the other. Let x be equal to 3y. So 3y minus y equal to 26. Substituting for x, you get 3y minus y equal to 26. So 2y equal to 26. What is y? y equal to 26 by 2 equal to 13. So you got y as 13. And what is x? X equal to 3 into y. 3 into 13 is 39. So 13 and 39 are the numbers. Okay. Finished? Shall we proceed? Next question is about two supplementary angles. If in two supplementary angles, larger exceeds smaller by 18 degree, then what will be the two angles? That is the question. So, do you know what is meant by supplementary angle? Supplementary angle are two angles in which the sum of these two angles will be 180 degree. So, angles, any angle having sum, any two angles having sum equal to 180 degree are called supplementary angles. Okay. Here, larger exceeds the smaller by 18 degree. Let the two angles be x and y. And let x be equal to y plus 18. Let this angle be the larger angle. So, x equal to y plus 18. Then, and we know that x plus y equal to 180 because these two angles should add up to 180 degree. So x plus y equal to 180 and x equal to y plus 18. So substitute for x here, y plus 18 plus y equal to 180. 2y equal to 180 minus 18. So 162. So what is y? 81 degree. So y equal to 81 degree, which means x equal to y plus 18. 81 plus 18 is 99 degree. So the two angles are 81 degree and 99 degree. So we got the two angles as 81 degree and 99 degree. Okay, understood? Next question is, if the coach of a cricket team buys 7 bats and 6 balls for 3,800 rupees, then later she buys 3 bats and 6 balls for 5 balls for 1,750 rupees, then what is the price of bat and ball? That is the question. What is the cost of bat and ball? One bat and one ball. So from this we can frame an equation, right? 7x, let x be the price of bat. So cost of bat. So 7x plus 6y equal to, and y be the cost of ball. So 7x plus 6y equal to 3,800, which is the first equation. Then 3x plus 5y equal to 1,750, which is second equation. Then how will you solve this? There are no common coefficients here. So how will you solve? If you multiply this by 5 and this by 6, you will get the coefficient of y as common. So if you multiply this by 5, what will you get? 35x plus 30y. And 38 into 5 is this 19. 19000. Then multiplying this by 6, you will get 18x plus 30y equal to 105,000. Then subtracting. 35 minus 18 is 17, right? 17x equal to 8,500. You will get 17x equal to 8,500. So what is x? 17 into 5 is 85. Right? Yeah. 17 into 5 is 85. So x equal to 500. 8,500 by 17 is 500. X equal to 500. Now substitute here. That is 7x plus Actual equation was 7x plus 6y equal to 3800. So substitute x here. 7x is 3500. That is 500 into 7 is 3500 plus 6y equal to 3800. So what is 6y? 300. So what is y? Y equal to 50. So x equal to 500 and y equal to 50. Cost of bat is 500 and cost of ball is 50 rupees. So with this I am concluding this video, and I'll be uploading some more questions from this chapter in the upcoming videos. So stay tuned, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.